KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a new version of my slow cooked risotto. I'm using a wild mushroom and smoked chicken slow cooked risotto using my crock pot. Right, 30 grams of wild forest mushrooms. They're dried, so that isn't going to be any good to us. So I'm just going to cover that with some hot water, just like I'm about to do there. I've just got some nice hot water. I boiled that a little while ago and it's come back down to a nice temperature. Cover those, put that into a little bowl like I've done there, and I'm going to set that aside for a minimum of half an hour. The longer the better. So here I've got a brown onion. I'm putting this in my little chopper. It's making things a little bit easier for me, and if you are new to the channel, yes, I do have MS, and slicing a mushroom or slicing an onion these days could be a little bit hairy. Right, so our onions are all finely chopped with our little chopper, and here I've got a really nice smoked chicken breast. Now I'm using a really good sharp knife. This particular knife, I'm not sponsored, but it is actually a Fury 7-inch east-west knife, nice and sharp, and that way we can just shave this chicken down like I'm doing right there. Now we're going to add in around about 250 to 300 grams for this dish. You can see how thin I've cut that. I'm going to add in about 4 rashers of a good smoked streaky bacon, and I'm just going to give that a little bit of a chop through like that, and that can go straight into that bowl with our chicken. Now I'm going to add our onion into our slow cooker or crock pot, depending on how you want to say it. That can go straight in. I'm going to add in around about 30 grams worth of butter. This is going to make this dish a little bit more rich. In goes 1 cup of a short grain rice, and in actual fact I actually use a sushi rice for this because I like making sushi. It's in the cupboard and it works out perfectly. As much garlic as you like. I'm using a garlic paste, and that would have been the equivalent to about 2 cloves worth. Add our smoked meats straight into our slow cooker, just like that, and a good glug of white wine. Use the white wine of your preference, whatever you like. In goes all that liquid and the mushrooms straight into our slow cooker, and I'm going to add in 1 little packet of mushroom cup of soup. Okay, sounds stupid, sounds weird, but it works, believe me, trust me on this one. 1 litre of chicken stock pre-prepared. You can use your own if you have your own made, and if you don't know how to make chicken stock, there are videos on how to do that on this channel. Okay, so we're just going to put all of that in. I'm going to add in a 400 gram can of chickpeas, which I've rinsed, and these are going to add a real nice volume to this meal. Put the lid on, turn that on, and we can walk away for around about an hour and a half or so. We can come in, give that a little bit of a stir like I'm doing right there. Now, are you subscribed to KP's Kingdom? Why not? Okay, subscribe to the channel. You'll be notified where you'll get all the new and improved recipes that I put up. I'm going to add in a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, and I like my black pepper in a risotto. Now, 3 hours later, it should look something like that. Not too wet, not too dry, just really nice and smoky and mushroomy. And we're going to just finish that off with a little bit of grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. I'll leave that up to you. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It tastes amazing and it is so simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. You want to learn how to make something really simple, really easy, and incredibly tasty, restaurant quality like this one? Well, you need to come and join the family. My family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I suppose I'm off to eat my wild mushroom and smoked chicken risotto. I think I've lost the plot. I'll catch you next time anyway. Alright, bye.